guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back going to polish my nails. Actually, I'm going to polish my short active glue-on nail tips. And what I wanted to try today was I'm going to use these little nail stands and attach them to this like so, and polish them right on here just to make it a lot easier and cleaner. Let it dry, then glue them to my nails. I'm trying to decide if I want to do some nail stickers that I had in mind using, or if I want to do some stamping. So while I'm working on this, I'm gonna try to decide on which I want to do. So far, the colors I'm gonna use is my new colors that I just got at CVS. Where are they? I'm not sure if I'm going to do both or one. I haven't decided that yet either. But I think the main color I want to use on most of the nails may be this one. But it depends on what I do. Like I say, if I use some nail guides and do a design similar to my last one, I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm going to think about it as we go. I did have this out too because I loved the way it looked when I used it last over the pink nails I did. So this is a maybe as well. So right now I'm gonna get these together and line them up and get started on polishing them. Start with this one. Really pretty, shiny. You know what I was gonna do is put some primer over this before I started, or buff across them, just because they're so smooth. So I think I'm gonna let this dry and then I'll do another top coat over it. Put the blue on the pointer. This one looks really nice and glossy too. It looks like it's a nice little formula. I really love the color. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start the second top coat over these before I work on the next ones. All polished and they should be nice and dry and ready to go. So I was gonna use a regular glue, but I decided to go ahead and try the Beetle's nail glue so it can last longer. So I'm gonna do this. I have the little lamp right here ready to go, and I was thinking about just throwing on a couple of just a little nail decor, these cute little nail charms on you know, one of the nails, and call it a day. It's pretty late, so I just wanted to think of something that I could do quickly. So I'm gonna go over the tops of my nails with this alcohol just to dry them out, because I keep lotion and stuff on my hands and I want to make sure they stick. I'm gonna put some primer on top as well and go ahead and start gluing them on. Alright, y'all, I had a catastrophe. I started to just dump this whole video and delete it all. My husband's like, no, they don't look as bad as you probably think they do. Go ahead and finish it. And, you know, I'm just going to explain what happened. So, first of all, I think the Beetles Gel Nail Glue only goes with those faux jelly tips, because it took so long to get the gel, to get my nails to stick. They popped off a couple times and I had to keep redoing it. As you can see, some of the glue came out of the sides. Then from me pushing, I let the nails dry completely when I had them on the little display, but once I got to gluing them on and had like holding them like this, well, let me not do that, I just put top coat on that. But you can see here from holding them down, they made like here's a good one, indents in them from me pushing down on it. So I did go over this hand with the clear top coat, the Seche Vite. This one I didn't, so you can see the difference, because I wanted to see if I could cover up some of the marks from me holding them down under the lamp. And then I wanted to see what it looked like with my China Glaze glitter on top. This one was really messed up, so I wanted to cover that up, so I went over the top of it with the China Glaze glitter. And I do like it. I just need to clean up around here. It has a lot of glue and some of the glitter on the sides, but looks like this one's a bit loose. So yeah, I'm gonna go over this hand as well with the clear top coat. I'm not gonna do the jewelry, I don't think, because I just feel like they don't look pretty enough. I don't know, y'all. Like, you can see this one, how you can see some of the indents from me pushing down and like the glue being stuck to my fingers, got on the nails. Like, it was just horrible. So I don't know if it looks as bad to y'all as it does to me, but it just looks so bad. And I'm so upset. Because when you have something in your head and you think it's going to come out a certain way, and it doesn't come out that way at all, it just feels like a total fail to me. But I'm going to go ahead and keep them on. I'm just going to put this top coat on. Oh, shoot. My fan is on. Okay, so the fan, you know, it dries out the polish really quickly. And also, you guys can't hear me when I have that fan on. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just top coat the rest of these, clean them up as much as I can, because a lot of the stuff around the sides of my cuticles and stuff is glue with the nail polish attached to it, so that's gonna be really hard to get off. But you know, as you wash your hands throughout the day, some of that stuff just kind of gradually comes off as well. So I'm hoping that'll happen. Yeah, so I think for now I'm just gonna leave it like this. Do a couple nails with the glitter, and that's it. I will do another set with the tips that go to these, and I'll use my rhinestones with that set, I think, because I want it to just be neat and, you know, nice looking. If I'm gonna put the charms on them, my brush keeps flipping upside down, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other thumb. Looks like it's crooked too. Yeah, this one is crooked. It's gonna come off though, I feel it. So when it does, I'll fix it. But we're just gonna have to try this again with the other nail tips. I do love the colors. The colors are really pretty. They match really good together. So yeah, you guys, that's it. I kind of had a bit of a fail. I didn't record very much, but I'm gonna throw in what I did get recorded of me trying to get these suckers to glue on. And I feel like I should have used my big lamp too, because that's a little bit stronger, you know. So stay tuned, because we're gonna try this again, just with some different nail tips and probably some different colors. I'll probably use the rhinestones or do some stamping or something. Since it's a bit late, I didn't want to get into too much nail art. So yeah, y'all, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, I'm not a nail tech, just a stay-at-home mom that enjoys doing her own nails. So I learn as I go. I've been teaching myself everything that I do. But that's it, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video.